What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Izzy and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to get the easiest, simplest, most beautiful, my go-to hairstyle, beach waves. This has been highly requested, especially one of my TikToks, got a ton of views, and I wasn't even talking about my hair, but I had so many requests to do this video, so here it is. And I realized the last time I did my beach waves tutorial was when my hair was like this long, like so short. So it's definitely changed a little bit, kind of the same techniques, and honestly I use a lot of the same products, but my hair is like double the length now, maybe triple, and I just figured it's time to do another. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and without any further ado, let's get into this look. Okay, so my hair is literally just blow dried. I washed and dried it yesterday, so this is kind of what we got. I'm just gonna brush through everything here. And I did blow dry some It's a 10 leave-in, so there was heat protectant in it. All right, and now I'm going to clip half of it up. I'm literally going to take from my temples to the back. I'm gonna just use 2 fingers to separate it into 2 halves. And then I'm gonna use this clip. I got a 4-pack off Amazon, and I literally am obsessed with these. They're so cute. It comes in a pack of 4, and I just wear my hair up in clips now. And I'm just gonna kind of clip this on my head like so. I just cannot believe how long my hair has gotten. Like the last time I did a hair tutorial, it was literally up to my shoulders. So crazy. Okay, now we're ready to start. Okay, and now I'm going to take my wand, and yes, I'm still using this wand. And I've literally been using it, well, I actually checked because I was sending a friend a link, and I've been using it since 2015. So 5 years, and she is still kicking. It probably is time for a new one. It's like just getting old looking, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to take vertical sections. So I'm gonna take a pretty big vertical section there. And the first ones I always curl away from my face. I'm like literally using my camera as a mirror. And then I'm gonna leave my inch and a half out, because that will give it a much more natural look there. So you're gonna hold it, and then I'm just gonna let it cool like that. Just let it sit, you know the drill, do not touch it. And then the second one, I'm just gonna alternate all of my sections. Now this one toward my face. Now this is very important if you want the wave look. If you want more of just a curl, more glamorous Hollywood, curl them all the way from your face. But I want a wave because this is like casual, street style, you know. The next section here, and I mean they're pretty long, they're big, large sections, but they're skinny, they're thin, but that's what we want. Now I'm just gonna do my whole head this way, and I'm curling this one away from my face. Leaving my inch and a half. And if you have thicker hair, 3 sections works just fine. All right, so I curled the bottom half of my hair, and I'm just gonna kind of put it behind me and leave it alone, let it cool. I haven't brushed through them, I haven't sprayed them or anything. And now I'm gonna take out the second half of my hair and brush through it before I let it down. I'm just gonna let it fall there, and I'm gonna just do pretty much the same exact thing on the top half. curl the first ones away from my face and alternate all around my head. My vertical sections. Sometimes I'll take a little bit smaller pieces in the front and do like the first 2 away from my face on the top half. Just because they're a little bit more fine and fall in front of your face. Go upward. Alright, so this next part's very important. I'm gonna let them cool with the hairspray in for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna look like Shirley Temple just for a little bit to get great results, because the way that your hair is gonna cool is the way that it will return to its state, I would say. Like, so it's gonna try to return to the state of curliness after I brush through it. And that's what's gonna like keep the hold of the wave. Okay, so they've cooled for like 10 minutes now, and now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb. This one's infused with coconut oil, it's smoothing, wide tooth. And I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top and gently comb them out. This part is like so oddly, it's like one of those oddly satisfying videos. And see how it's like returning to its curly state? Gotta let them cool, you gotta be patient. Very worth it. That's so pretty. Okay. Sometimes I'll add like a few random strands of hair, like extra little pieces, and I'll curl them. But honestly, I'm very happy with this. I don't think I need extra texture today. I like it this way. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It's super easy, super simple, and this will last all day. And it's casual, but it also can be dressed up, which is what I love about it. And it's so easy and it's so quick to do. I will link all the products that I use down below in the comments section, where to buy it, how much it is, all of that good stuff. As always, give this video a big thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.
Where I woke up